Hello everyone. Today's topic is types of translators. So before moving, what are the types of translators? We first need to know what is a translator. So a translator is nothing but it is a program that takes as input. So a translator is a program that takes as input a program which is written in one language and which is written in one language and produces as output a program in another language. So a translator is nothing but it is a program that takes as input a program written in one language and produces as output a program in another language. So not only this program translation, the translator also performs a very important role, that is error detection. So error detection also is performed by using the translator. If any violation of the high level language specification, it can be detected and reported to the programmers. So the important role of translators are nothing but translating the high level language program input into an equivalent machine level language program, and also it provides error messages wherever the programmer violates the specifications of the high level language. So now coming to types of translators, we have three types of translators. The first one is assembler, and the second one is compiler, and the third one is interpreter. So first let's see about the assembler. So assembler. So why we are using this assemblers? So programmers found it difficult to write or read programs in machine language. So what they did, they began to use a mnemonics. So they began to use mnemonics for each machine instruction, which are then translated into machine language. So those mnemonics are being translated into machine language or machine instructions. So such a mnemonic machine language is called as assembly language. So the input to this assembler is nothing but your source program, and the output is our machine level language. So assembler. So for this assembler, the input is nothing but our source program and the output is nothing but object code. So that is also called as machine language or machine code. So what is an assembler? So assembler is nothing but which takes the source program as input and gives the object code as output. And the second one is our compiler. So as we are already aware of compiler, that compiler is nothing but it is a translator which converts our high level language to low level language. So compiler takes the input as high level language and converts it into low level language. So high level language is being translated to low level language by using a compiler. So we have some examples of compilers like ADA compiler, ALGOL compiler, basic compiler, C compiler, COBOL's compiler. So like this we have so many types of compilers. So we are all aware that compiler is nothing but which it is a translator which takes the input as high level language and converts it into low level language. And the third one is our interpreter. So interpreter is also a program which is used to translate a source program into machine level language. So both interpreter and compiler does the same work. So interpreter also takes the input as high level language and gives the output as low level language, which is also termed as a machine level language. So which is also termed as a machine level language. So both compiler as well as interpreter, they are going to translate the high level language into low level language. So there are some differences between the compiler and interpreter that I'll be telling you in the next video. So these are the types of translators. So a translator is nothing but it is a program which takes input as a program which is written in one language and produces as output a program in another language. So we can take a simple example like if there are two friends and one of them know only Marathi and the other friend knows only Telugu. So whatever the Marathi friend is speaking, so he should convey that message should be conveyed to the other friend. So then he needs a translator who knows Marathi. So that person can translate whatever the person is speaking, he can translate to his friend in Telugu. So this is the general example like what is the use of a translator. So in compiler design, it is nothing but a translator is nothing but which takes a program which is written in one language and produces the output which is written in another language. And we have three types of compilers, that is assembler, compiler and interpreter.